Omubiri gwa Mutagamba gwayakirwa Speaker Rebecca Daga nukwe okugutwarira a red carpet obwo gukirizibwe ba polisi ababa bajwire ebya black nkakamanyiso ko kumwinamira. Omubiri gwe baguta aha mwanya ogw'abantu babasa kumurebaho ogwa muheru ababa barimu Speaker Rebecca Daga omwezi wa president sekandi n'aba Minisita otireho n'abandi bingi. President nawe yahika aha mwanya ogu kandi yayinamira omugenzi Mutagamba nukwe okuza omukashenje akomutano aho ya Buganda abamaka g'omugenzi. Nyampara wa government na bwanyuma yashobora abwenki president yabugana abamaka g'omugenzi omwanya ogweherire.
Akiwumbye n'agamba mama waabwe yali mu bukozi. Myaka egyo 65 abadde asubira okukozi. Era yeewunyiza nga obulwadde bwamuviridde kubanga yali naye mu December nga batongoza system efukirira amazzi emmanga eyo oba bushenyi yamuyita abeerewo kubanga omugenzi yali akitandise naye omugenzi teyamugambako nti oba alumizibwa.
Abanyishengyero bingi bagamba ahari Mutagamba nk'omuntu murungi kandi obiira ly'omukozi atari kweganya.
She never pushed her education, she never pushed her brilliance down people's throats. She never boasted.
She initiated the start of the women groups. It was like a Women Association, they bought Danida, and Danida gave us money, Danida Rural Credit Scheme, which is still a revolving fund and it is still in centenary.
Honorable Mutagamba abadde mukyala mukozi nnyo omukkakkamu omugumiikiriza ate aterekereza ayamba buli mbeera.
Mutagamba naza kuziikwa izoba lya nyenkyakare omu maka ge omurigaba Kakuuto omu district ya Lakai. Gasha kwa Edward Muhumuza.